Hello guys, in this video I am gonna to show you how to animate a shape like this. So let's start the video. It's very simple. So first of all I am going to remove this and I will make it from the start. So first go there to shape and draw the shape like this, right? And then I give here white color and 5 strokes. Turn off the fill. After that I duplicate this, Control D. So the down shape I am gonna to increase its stroke to 10. I will write here 10, right? And then I go to this edge and go to the round corner, and then I round the shape from the sides and the above also. I am gonna round it. Go to the round corner and round it 91. So let's round it more, 107. Control C, copy it and then paste to the below shape, right? So what next we gonna do? So select the below layer and go there and write for color gradient. So you will, here is for color gradient, and then put it on the below shape. So you can see here the 4 colors and there is 4 dots. So put these dots on the sides, close to the sides, right? Go and close these point to the shape sides. So you can see here the round, so the shape is colored, right? Then what we gonna do? Go there and write glow. Now we are gonna put the glow on the shape. So you can see here there is glow. So I am gonna to increase the glow like this. So I put the glow on the shape. You can see here. Now we are gonna to add trim path. Go to add and select the trim path. Go there and click on the keyframe of the end and decrease 100 to 0. Then forward the keyframe to 1 and increase the end to 100, right? So this is the below shape. I'm going to add trim path to the above one also, and select the keyframe and then go forward to 1 frame and select the keyframe also. Go back to the preview to the first keyframe and decrease the opacity and increase the value, right? So now I'm gonna play it. So you can see here it is animated. So now I'm gonna select both of frame and select view. You can see here the keyframes and press the F9. We put easy, yes, right? So it will animate and the animation will look realistic. That's why you are gonna change the value of the animation. So let's start. So let's play it. You can see here the animation. By this way you can animate like this animation. So thank you guys, hope you like this video. So subscribe my channel and like and share the video.